work a job, wake up and go get behind that register. I'm lying on my taxes, had to use a photo editor. I'm not tripping on my ex no more, I'm way too far ahead of her. My new bitch from Calabasas, I already know better. Recently go cash out on a Hellcat, that's too basic. I pull up busy.
What is good, YouTube? It's your boy SCTJ, man, back with another video, back with another banger. Y'all see the title of the video. Today, man, we are getting a muffler delete, a rear resonant delete, and going Catless on the SRT, as y'all can see. But first, we gotta start the Jeep and move the Jeep. So I'm gonna get y'all a cold start on the Jeep, and then I'm gonna get y'all a before cold start on the Charger, and get into the video. Let's go. Now, y'all, I have not started this car in literally like since Thanksgiving. It is currently like December 10th. So oh my god, it's crazy loud. And the fact that it's gonna be louder than that is insane to me, y'all. So y'all stay tuned. We finna go to the shop right now. Hopefully they can still get me in. Alright, y'all, I'm gonna try to get y'all some revs. My neighbors are gonna be mad, but so oh well. Y'all, so y'all know the wide body scat that I also have on the channel is straight pipe. It is just a resonator delete and a mid muffler delete, which is considered straight pipe. You know, it's not from the cats on back. So I'm gonna try to see if I got any clips where I can do a comparison of the mid muffler on this car versus the straight pipe on that car, which is a brand new 2022 Scatpack. And then I'm going to try to see if I can do a comparison of the straight pipe on this car, which would be from cats on back, versus just the resonator and mid muffler delete. So
bring your main out first.
Okay.
You gotta cut them off. I reinstall your tips. Put stainless back in there. It's just like this. That way they never go bad.
Okay.
So it'll wake it up. It'll be good loud, really good loud.
All right, trying to get y'all a warm start on the straight pipe. We ended up not being able to put the Catless mids on just yet, so we're gonna see if we can get that done. Still sounds the same to me, but we're gonna see if we can get these cats put on, Catless mids on soon. All right, y'all, if y'all ask me, man, I feel like it sounds the same as the mid muffler. It might be a tad bit louder, I can't really tell, but we're gonna throw it in track mode. Honestly, I think when you straight pipe the car though, it takes away the active exhaust system, but it does sound a little louder right there. Just downshift a little bit. It's not too bad. It's not like too much drone to me, but it actually sounds really good. I'm not gonna lie. I like this. Alright, y'all, man, we done went from a mid muffler delete to straight pipe, so resonator and mid. So I'm gonna give y'all some revs so y'all can hear what this sound like. Alright, y'all, man, y'all seen that we just took the resonators and the mids off, so we are straight pipe, but we did not take the Cadillac converter off, so we just took this off. Alright, y'all, man, I'm gonna show y'all underneath right now what we got done so far. I don't know if y'all can see, but we have nothing connected right now, but we are about to connect these mid pipes. As y'all can see right here, we're about to put these. There's no cats. I'm gonna show y'all the difference between these pipes and the OEM pipes as well. We are currently putting them in, and then we're going to try to trick the system for these O2 system as well with these parts. I don't know if these are going to work or if I need to tune. I've seen people use these before though when they're doing the OEM ones, but we're going to put this in the Catless mid pipes.
You don't killers, you ain't never born shit. Walk around with a backpack full of racks like I'm on dumb shit. Now 6 feet, but don't pour no mud. It ain't no secret, double really comfort shit. This morning can't copy the drill. You making them up, I spend it on drugs. I'm in for a beef, get ready, get shit.
And it's probably gonna actually sound like we got headers on damn there with these shorties, that the way how Dodge made these cars. So we got them on. Now it's just about trying to trick this O2 system to think that we have cats. You feel me? So we finna try to drill into that and install it into just put on there or whatnot. So y'all stay tuned, man. I'm gonna give y'all a cold start. Cause the car been sitting, so it's damn near gonna be a cold start for y'all. So stay tuned for that. Resonator mid delete. That's what that sounds like. Now we finna give y'all a cold start. Well, it's not a cold start, but a warm start on the fully straight pipe, no cats. This shit louder than Marco shit the whole time.
Shit. Better be.
Tight shit. Let y'all hear it in track mode with no cats. Alright, y'all, the only thing I'm gonna say I don't like about it is the smell, man. When you go Catless, the smell on the car is crazy. So I will recommend that you get sensors, you know what I'm saying, like some sensies in your car so you don't smell it, because it's gonna get take some getting used to with that gas smell. You know what I'm saying? But the car sounds great. It's barking. I can't wait to see if I can insert some shots of me like doing some pulls in it. I will put it in here. Stay tuned. I am gonna do a comparison video of the mid muffler, the stock, the straight pipe, which is just the resonator in the mids, and then I'm gonna try to do a comparison also with the full straight pipe with no cats. So there's 4 different options you can do with this car on the exhaust system, you know what I'm saying, or you can also buy an actual exhaust system. So I'm gonna do the comparison on that. As y'all know, my baby right here, my Jeep, that's my daily driver. We are getting some stuff done to this car as well. I don't know if y'all ever seen Shay V's Trackhawk, but I kind of want it to look similar to his. It's already brown. His is a brighter brown though. But I want to do like everything that's on this car that's chrome, I want to do it black. And I want to do an SRT hood on this car as well. But I am going to do some things to this car. It is a 5.7 Hemi Jeep, as y'all know. So hopefully we can get some things done with that. But man, the charger sounds crazy, y'all. It's barking. Hopefully we got some mods coming to this car. I do have stripes that I was gonna do. I was gonna do a half and half wrap, which is gonna be half blue, half white. But I feel like it's too basic, guys, so I'm just gonna do black stripes. Hopefully we can get that installed this weekend so y'all can see that as well. But it's your boy SRTAJ, man. Fuck. Comment below what y'all wanna see, man. It's your boy SRTAJ. I'm out.